Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And today we have another Brickin car, which is the Brickindelivery. And as you can see, number 3 out of 5 from Brick Ride, sorry. Number 58 out of 250, and finally Mattel has decided, you know what? Let's just put on a Mega logo on top so that people can know this is from Mega Constructs. So yes, let's go ahead and open this up. I don't know, this is the how manyth time I've done a review of the Brickin series. We had the Brickin custom small block, we had the Brickin trails, we had the Brickin speeds, and now looks like we have this, the Brickindelivery, which is, yeah, it's just a modified van, sort of van-ish. I don't know what the hell is this, bruh. Even the wheels are half covered. I mean, I would say this is sort of like a van, but bruh, what type of van is this, bruh? This is quite an interesting Brickin car so far that I've ever seen. It's pretty nutters. But yeah, let's take a look at this car, van, whatever it is. So here it is, this boxy van, as you can see right here. Obviously it's boxy because yes, this is a Brickin delivery, of course. This is more of like a van, so it gotta have some shapes like a brick, of course. So yeah, first of all, at the side here it says Brickindelivery, and you have that sort of like brick right there with angel wings. For some reason they're like flying, I guess. You have some orange and white stripes, and then you have the Hotwheels logo here. I don't know why it kind of seems like it has a spoiler here. You have 1x2 studs. Normally they're always at the side, even for Brickin speed, Brickin trails, and Brick custom small blocks. They normally have the 1x2 studs on the side. And then for some reason they decided the wheels should be half covered. As you can see, you can clearly see the wheels right there. Yes, they are in orange, and they have the yellow rims. Obviously, I don't know why they picked the color orange as the wheels, but okay. Yeah, moving on to the front, you have the one stud right here. You can maybe like add on headlights or something like that if you want. And yeah, you have a Hotwheels logo right there, and sort of like that grill texture right there in the front. It kind of seems so boxy from the front. You have the windshield, which is quite huge, and you can see that this sort of have like this banner over here. It has that one line, and then it has the Hotwheels logo, which is okay, interesting. Yeah, this one does not have the 1x2 stud, as you can see on the side. You can do whatever you want here. If you maybe thinking of flipping around the 1x2 stud and maybe putting it upside down, up to you. But yeah, the opening part for this is basically that take out the windshield right here, as well as the back part of the Brickindelivery. And as you can see, this is one thick looking base right here. Yes, this is supposed to be half of the delivery van, which is extremely thick, as you can see right there. It's just so big. At least they could do something on the sides here, maybe. It just looks so plain. Yeah, I forgot to show the back here. You have the that sort of like grill texture again at the back, and you have a 1x2 studs again. Maybe you want to put something there. Maybe you want to cover up the exhaust if you want, or maybe you want to add more exhaust. Who knows? But yeah, there's supposed to be the rear lights, but they're not colored, obviously. We have a metal base. Let's take a look at the base here before I show you the extra details on the parts right there. Hold on. Hot Wheels 2022 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Doesn't say the car van name, but yeah. Well, they did mention it here though, which is pretty cool. Yes, so yeah, the top of this is basically a 5x3, but it's missing one stud. Obviously, it doesn't really have a stud, so it's like empty here. You have the embossed Hot Wheels logo right there for the plastic yellow part right there. Here's the bottom of it. I don't know what you want to do with this like empty hole right here. Maybe you want to put something in there. Maybe you want to keep some stash in the delivery part whatsoever. Maybe you can do it, or maybe you want to put something in there. Who knows? You want to keep something there. Who knows? You have the windshield here. It's obviously a 1x3 on the top, and as you can see, here's a quick interesting detail. It says Mega Constructs at the back. So some of you may not notice, but this is embossed. So some of you may not notice this is actually Mega Constructs at the back here. Oh yeah, by the way, this is connected to 3x2s so that you can put it on the front if you want and assemble it like so. So yeah, you basically can mix and match whatever you want on the top here. Maybe you want to put this for some reason upside down like that, or maybe you want to put it something like this. Oh my god, that just seems so ugly. Yeah, so something like that. But yeah, pretty interesting van, I would say, vehicle. Pretty cool, not gonna lie. It's quite a nice bricking type of vehicle that they've done. What I know is the next vehicle would be quite interesting. It's something based on of a casting, which is quite popular throughout the whole life cycle of Mattel. And well, it's actually a bone shaker. The next breaking car or vehicle would be the bone shaker, which yeah, it's named Brickin Motors. I actually already have it, that's why I'm just saying it right now. It's from the e-case. I already have it, but I won't review it until I settle with the C and D case. Then I can move on with the e-case of 2023, and yeah, so just stay tuned if you want, and subscribe to the channel if you want to check out that video soon. And yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.